Ewe bahlali. Ngi-live la kwaDunusa. eJoburg la kwaDunusa la. So first time ngibona lesi stradi sinje. Hayi metro bafana idlala namhlanje ngibona lenye iNigeria lithi liyaqhubeka nokudayisa lapha. Sicaphuna sonke istock salo basifaka la evenini kametro. I-date ngakunamhlanje u-3 October. Ngi-live bafana ngihamba la kungahambe khona kwaDunusa Street. Yobubona ngila kungahanjwa khona. It's the first time ngibona ama-Nigeria helpless kanje yabona. Nanga yiwo wonke lawo. Yaqala ukubona ama-Nigeria helpless kanje. Si live bafana. Ngathi nami ngiyaphupha mangibona igoli linje. Konke nangapha. KwaDunusa labafana live. Siyakhala.
So hey guys, isiceliwe Pitori and Joburg Rana guys, njobana libona ukuthi i-street si-empty kusuka kwaDunusa lapha. Ama metro abisi. Njobana libona babisi. Ku-clear namhlanje akunaDunusa. Namhlanje izi 3 zika October. Empty ngoba uyabona i-street. Ngithanda nyani. Namhlanje bebhekeleze ezakoDunusa hawa. Khohlwani senyadlula nje.
Guys, look at this. Normally I wouldn't do this. La. Ngeke ngize ngibe nesibindi sokukhipha ifoni yami kanje la. But now we're doing it. We're doing it. It's safe. JMPD is not going anywhere. This is ours. This is our country. So this is good. So it's time for everybody to go home. Yeah. There's order, there's police, it's good. But the energy here, the sentiments, hey, abantu, they're not happy, these, the abantu bangaphandle. And it's not like Sabaluisi, we just want our home back. But they don't seem happy. They're all frowning. You can tell they're concerned. I think they must start making plans to go back home now. It's time, guys. It's very taxi. Like, this is what we want to see. Renovations are happening. You know, order is restored. Order is restored. So yeah, hey, shout out to the city of Johannesburg, man. Shout out to the JMPD. Shout out to South Africans. Shout out Bafethu. Shout out. Sesikwazi ukuhamba kamnandi, yazi. Walk nje with your phone out. You know? Bheka nje. So apparently bazotshala ihlahla, they're gonna plant some trees. And then and stuff. Yeah. Operation Tudula, thank you. Much and much, thank you. Siyabonga. Sibonge bafethu, sibonge. Nabantu bazibona taxi. Santaku siyabonga. Joburg today. What's the date today? 4th of October. Present some JMPD is there. Like normally now. Normally. Can't even walk. I'm used to walking here because you know we don't have space. They take all the space. Long up. Same thing. They're everywhere. So it's still quiet. bangabuyi. So I'm sure we siyabonga. Thank you for putting South Africans first. Siyabonga nje. When I get there.
All right, South Africa, since Donosa is closed, taxi driver take the land. They open a rank because they are renovating MTN rank. They renovate MTN rank, so they close Donosa. Ne? So whoever who needs sneakers, I'm available. Here is what I have. Don't ask me about something that I don't have. Ne? Is Puma purple? Never. It's size 6. It's size 6. See? 400. This one is Adidas. Ah man, I mean All Star. It's All Star. Yeah, leather. I want size 4. 400.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nigerians nalabanye bantu boqhamuka labaqhamuka boZim, Mozambique, they are stranded lapha eJohannesburg njengoba babaqoshile laphana bo-taxi driver babaqoshile laphana kwaDunosa. Sathi kuthi la kulenzawo lena bekuhlezi ona kugqwele bantu labathengisako ma-Nigeria. Yonke inhlobo yemuntu iyatholakala laphana eJohannesburg ngala kwaDunosa. So njengoba sibona ama-Nigeria nakatimele lana, they are stranded, they have nowhere to go njengoba babaqoshile. And bantu they are saying ukuthi abahambe babuyele emaveni abo. People are just saying ukuthi it's high time in South Africa Iran South Africans instead of Nigerians. Naba njengoba siyabona ukuthi ba-stranded, they have nowhere to go. Why bangamuki baye emakhaya? So people are saying ukuthi it's a good thing ukuthi baqoshiwe lapha kuleya ndzawo because bekungahambeki. Ngiyalo labanye abantu labathengiselako lapha kwaDunosa abathengisela etendlini Nkosi yami njengoba sekuvaliwe lapha kwaDunosa. And people are saying ukuthi lokhu labakwendile labo taxi driver balapha eJohannesburg ukuthi baqoshe ama-foreigner kuleya ndzawo bende kahle njengoba umgwaco uclean, bantu sebaze bayakhona nokuhamba because akusekho lesiya siphithiphithi sema-foreigner ukuthi uthi uhamba ngala ukhona ikuhamba kuyathengiswa kwenda lokhu nalokhu kugqwele nje kusiphithiphithi lapha kuleya ndzawo. Now people can walk kuleya ndzawo freely. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.